Shape UHV coil winding machine is suitable for UHV coils with AC 1000 kV and above, and DC 800 kV and above. Due to the high voltage level, the insulation requirements are strict. 3 or 4 layers of insulation materials need to be padded between layers, which is different from the form of 1 layer of wire and 1 layer of insulator for ordinary high voltage coils. In the past, during winding, it was necessary to manually insert multiple layers of thin and soft insulation materials after winding each layer of wire, which had problems such as difficult operation, difficult positioning, difficulty in the fixation, slow speed, and cumbersome process. Moreover, the product quality varied among different operators, resulting in insufficient stability. For this process, we have made targeted designs, integrating multiple insulation materials into one assembly part, ensuring they are on the same plane through detailed designs, with adjustable tension and being able to be constrained without disorder after cutting. At the same time, it matches the function of the winding machine to simplify the operation, so that operators can get started after a little training and stably produce qualified and competitive products. The new equipment significantly improves winding efficiency, reduces costs, and makes product quality more stable. Shape and you work together for mutual benefit.